What you have learned so far in the complex number?
Not a lot. Like, he's just started.
Anyway, what you have learned, like anything which comes to your mind when you heard about the complex number.
Like what they are and so.
Okay. So what is the complex? What is the complex number first?
Oh, and formulas as well. Like the.
Yeah.
Like, oh yeah, we just learned like formulas like A and plus B.
A plus
BI. Like that's what the complex number is.
Yes. And do you know? Okay, so you are saying that A plus BI is your complex number, right? Right?
Yeah.
So what is A here? What is A? If you don't know, just you can say that you're not sure. So I will explain. Okay. So should we start?
Yeah.
Okay. So have you done online classes anytime before?
Yeah, but not on Zoom.
Not on the Zoom. Is it like 1-to-1 or too many students and one class is going on?
Oh yeah, too many students and then one class.
Okay. So that is not very much interactive when you do 1-to-1. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm also recording this session. Okay. So when you get free time, you can watch it. Okay.
Okay.
And I have some other recorded session from for this chapter also from other students. So I will send you that, and you have to watch all of them. Try practice the questions. Okay. Then you will become very good in the maths. So always think maths is not like difficult. Okay. So when you will try, you will definitely get it. Okay. So let's start. When I say complex number, what is mean by that? Okay. First I will explain. Have you seen this number 1, 2, minus 10? What is this? Which kind of number it is?
A real number.
Real number, that's right. Now if I say we have done this one, what is natural number? Do you know that?
Any number that goes from like -1, -2, -3.
No, any number is starting from 1.
Oh yeah.
We did, I think, when we was doing this one. Okay. What is the integers?
This one is like -1, -2, -3.
Yeah, it's like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm giving dot here and also dot here, which means back side also, right? -4, -5, right? You don't need to write. I will send you this tutorial. Okay, so I will ask you question, you can solve. Okay, so natural number clear, integer is clear, right?
Yep.
Now one thing is, we have also done this one, prime number. What is the prime number?
Prime number is an integer.
We did this one. Okay, anyway, it's been long time. So prime number is the number which is divisible by itself and 1, right? So starting from 2, 3, 5, 7. Do you remember? Okay, these three things you should know, and all of these are the part of a real number, right? These are, so bigger picture is your real number. Clear? So these number we can say 1, 2, -1, -3. These are real number, right? Now complex number, you can't say what is the exact value of the complex number. Okay, now if you have a under root 4, what it will give you? Take your calculator.
2.
Take your calculator. It will give you
2.
it will give you 2, right? Okay, now take this one. Try this in calculator.
It just says math error.
Maths error. It's showing error. Okay, so this is your complex number. Even your calculator can't solve complex number. We will come back to this, but you understand what is the complex number. You can't say even your calculator can't calculate. Okay, this is the origin of a complex number, right? Now, how we can write a complex number? And always remember, a complex number is written in the form of z, right? Maybe you have seen z, and it is always in the form of a plus b I, and this is called iota. This I is called iota. Okay, now what is this a and b? Actually, this a and b are real number. Just now we did, it can be negative, it can be positive, right? So this a and b is your real number. So let me write one complex number, z1. Just 1 second. Hello, I'm good, how are you? Is it 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock? Oh, actually I'm doing with another student right now. I completely forget. Can we do any other time? Is 6 o'clock okay? Or maybe tomorrow we can do. Yeah, that's fine. Sorry for that. I completely forget. I'm doing another session with another student. I completely forget that. Okay, thanks very much. Thank you. Yeah, sure. Bye. Sorry for that. Okay, so z number is written in the form of is 2 plus 3i. Okay, is it right? Now another complex number I can write minus 3 minus 4i, right? So these are just, I'm writing the example of a complex number. Okay, you are happy with this? What is your complex number? So it consists of two real parts, and this is making imaginary. Okay, I will talk you about this. A plus ib, this is real part, and this is called imaginary part. Why it is called imaginary part? Any idea?
I'm not sure.
I will tell you. Even it is b, because this I is making imaginary, because this is complex, and if you multiply a complex number with a real number, you will get complex number, right? Okay, now what is this I? This I is your under minus 1, right? Now if you will take I square, what you will get? Square both side, what you will get? Is it not this one? This is square.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this will give you how much? Can you use your calculator? Maybe it will show a number.
Error.
Is it showing error? Are you putting like
Yeah.
this -1 under root then whole square?
And 2. Yeah.
Let me check. It should show you -1. Error, okay. But it is actually -1. Right? Now, can you do I cube? What is I cube? Is it not I square multiplied by I? Do you know this one? How it becomes I cube?
No.
Okay. Suppose if you have x square multiplied by x to the power 3, what you will get? This is for indices. If they are in multiplication, the power get added.
x5.
x5. Here same. I square multiplied by I to the power 1. Is it not I3? So I square is -1 and I is just I. So is it not minus I? Okay. Now what is I for? Can you solve for it? Do you have pen and paper? Try what is I for.
Equals I2 multiplied by
I2, right?
I2.
Yeah, very good. And I2 is -1. So can I write -1 multiplied by -1? What you will get? Use your calculator. -1 multiplied by -1. One. See, right now it's looking little bit tough, but only these four things you have to remember in complex number. It is these four things is very useful. So I am summarizing this. I is your nothing, just you can write as I. Okay.
Yeah.
But I square is your -1. I cube is your -I. And I to the power 4 is your 1. If you remember this four thing, it will help you a lot.
Okay.
Right? Rest of the complex number is very easy. Okay. Now, I have told you that a complex number can be written as a plus ib. Right? Now, an example of this is 2 plus 3i. Right? Now, I am going to do addition of complex number.
Is it not z equals a plus bi?
Yeah, you can write in both way, a plus b I or a plus ib, whichever you like, because actually both you are multiplying. Doesn't matter you are multiplying 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. It will give you same thing, right? Addition of complex number. Okay. Now let's say a complex number, I'm writing z1. Okay. So 2 plus 3i. Okay. You know, if I write in the front, it will be little bit awkward for me to write. Okay, that's why I'm not writing. Let's say another complex number, 5 minus 2i. Right? Both are complex number. Now if you want to add, what is z1 plus z2? How you will add that? Think. See, in complex number, real part, which is this one, right? So real part will be added to real part and imaginary part will be added to imaginary part. So what is real part? 2 plus 5, how much is? 7. 3i minus 2i.
1i.
Just I. Is it tough? No. Okay. So and the same way you can do the subtraction. Okay. So I'm giving you one question for subtraction of. Okay. No, you can do here also. Can you find z1 minus z2. I will solve it. Okay, so first what I will do, I will write z1. Is it not 2 plus 3i?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Minus 5 minus 2i.
Yeah.
So this will be copied 2 plus 3i, but here you have negative, so you have to be little bit careful. So minus 5 plus 2i, right?
How do you take out the brackets? Just write it within the bracket.
No, you multiply. Whenever it is negative, always think it is 1, minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by 5 is minus 5. Minus 1 multiplied by 2i is plus I, right? Are you sure about this? You can ask me a lot of question if you want, okay?
No, I understand.
So now real part is these two, right? 2 minus 5. How much is that?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. 3i plus 2i. Plus
5i.
This is just addition and subtraction of complex number, which is very easy. So let's practice some of the problem, okay? Do you have pen and paper? So I'm giving you some complex number. Find z1 plus z2. That is your first question. And second question, z2 minus z3. Okay, after solving first, let me know what you got. Okay.
After you take the numbers out of the brackets, what do you do? Like,
what you have done so far? Have you? Can you tell me?
Like 2 in brackets. 2
plus 9i.
plus 9.
Okay.
Yeah.
Plus.
And then plus 3 plus 2i.
Minus 2i, no? This.
Oh, sorry, yeah, minus.
Okay, so now you just open here. Here you don't have any problem because this is plus. So it can be open straightforward. Okay. Now can you add real part with the real part? 5.
Okay, yeah.
This is 7i, right? You will only get difficulty when you have negative sign here. So just multiply by minus 1.
Wait, why is it minus 7?
9i. Oh, very good, very good. Yeah, 7i. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. So now, which means you are attentive. Okay, try the second part.
Okay.
अभी 1 घंटा में फ्री हो जाएंगे, जल्दी आ जाओ. क्या हुआ? एक्सरसाइज 1 घंटा फ्री हो आते हैं, शॉपिंग करवाते हैं, करते हैं. नहीं कुछ नहीं. हाँ
एक एप्पल खा लो, इधर से तो उसे पानी देना, एप्पल देना, जूस देते हैं, पियो टाइम।
Is it 1 plus 7i?
Okay, let's do that. So what basically you are doing, 3 minus 2i, right? 3 minus 2i minus 2 plus 9i. Have you done this part?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you're getting here is 6. Sorry, why I'm multiplying. Open this bracket. 3 minus 2i minus 2 minus 9i. Have you done this part?
Yeah.
So real part is it?
Oh. No, I didn't do minus. Sorry, 9i.
Yeah, because you have always say when it is negative, little bit become cautious. Okay, minus 2 minus 9. Okay, so here you will get
Yeah.
1. Here you will get 1, and here you will get minus 11i. This is your answer. Okay. All right. Now we will take only two more question, and then we'll move to multiplication, right? So
Okay.
let's take try this one. After solving the first, okay, adding both, okay, what question I have not written, so let me write. You have to first find z1 plus z2, same thing, z1, this time z1 minus z2, right? Try. After solving the first one, let me know.
दो ग्लास पानी लेके
छोड़ दो. Any trouble in the first part?
No, it's just taking me a little bit longer. I just got just I.
Just I, maybe, I'm not sure. Let's check. Have you done this part first?
Mm-hmm.
Is it not 0?
Yeah, I was gonna say just there, 0.
0, yeah. Okay, try the next one.
It's just 0 again.
It's just 0. It's 0 again.
Oh no, it's I2.
Mother means 2i, right?
Yeah, 2.
Maybe let's check. Is it not z1, this thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Minus z2, right?
Mm-hmm.
So open the bracket, right? Open the bracket.
Mm-hmm.
This will become minus 1 and plus I. Have you done it?
Yeah.
Minus 1 minus 1. What is that?
Oh, minus 2.
Minus 2. Minus 2 and I. Is it not 2i?
Oh yeah. Okay.
So this should be your answer. Right?
Yeah.
Now let's do something more. If what will happen if this complex number is multiplied by a constant value like 5? So can I write, if you multiply by 5 you will get 5z here, and here you will get 5a plus 5bi. Are you happy with this?
Mm-hmm.
So if I give you complex number 2 plus 3i, okay, find 5z. Is it not that equal to 5 multiplied by 2 plus 3i?
Mm-hmm.
And what is this? Is it not 10 plus 15i?
Yeah.
You are happy with this?
Mm-hmm.
Now let me do one more thing. If I give you something like this, 2 plus 3i, right, minus 2 multiplied by 1 plus I, can you do that? How you will proceed this question? Just open this bracket. Is it not 2 plus 3i?
Mm-hmm.
This is minus 2, right? Minus 2 multiplied by 1, what you will get?
Minus 2. Or yeah, minus 2.
Minus 2 multiplied by I, what you will get?
Minus 2i.
Yeah, that's, everything is same, just we introduce a new thing here. So 2 and minus 2, is it not 0? 3i minus 2i, is it not I? And is it, this is a complex number?
Yeah.
Because even 0 is a real number. Okay, now can you do one example? 3 1 plus I minus 2 1 minus I. Do it.
Do you just multiply out the brackets?
First multiply the bracket, this one, and open it up.
Okay.
And that time also multiply this one and open it.
I got 1 plus 5i.
Let's check. Okay, so this is 3. Have you done plus 3i? Have you got from the first?
Yeah.
Now what you are getting from here?
Minus 2 plus 2i.
Very good. And then real part and real part, what you are getting?
1
then
plus 5i.
very good. Yeah, that's right. Okay, which means you understand this, right? Okay, so just let's do one more question. And when the number becomes like very difficult, little bit slow down. Okay, and do slowly. Okay, so it's look big, but slowly solve it.
Okay. I got minus 12 minus 9i.
Okay, let's check. This is minus 10 minus 59. All right. Minus 2 plus 4i. Have you got it? So when you are adding real parts, what you are getting?
Minus 12
And then
minus 9i.
is it not 11? Minus 11.
Oh, 11. I knew it wasn't doing
Yeah, that's right. Okay. So this is what we have done. We have done addition, subtraction. Okay. Let's do the multiplication part. Okay, which is a little bit tricky, but you have done algebra multiplication, right?
Yeah.
I will give you a short trick. What you have to do is in multiplication, whenever you are getting I square, what is the value of I square we discuss? Is it not minus 1? Is it not minus 1? I square equal to 1. So just write, copy, keep your in the mind, I square is always minus 1, and this is the most useful thing in your complex number. Okay, so let's take a complex number. and another complex number. Sorry. Okay. Now first thing, do for me, can you do z1 plus z2? Try to do that.
I got 6 plus 6i.
So 6 plus 6 is very good. Now can you do z2 minus z1? Z2 minus z1. Okay, do that. And also do z1 minus z2. It will be different value. You understand? 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 2 is different, right?
Yeah.
So first do z2 minus z1.
Okay. Two plus 6i for.
No.
Oh.
I think you're doing somewhere it's a small mistake.
Two plus I.
No. Think. Z2 minus Z1. Okay, what I will do basically, if I get something, do 4 plus 3i minus bracket 2 plus 3i, right? So what, do like this, 4 plus 3i, right? Simple procedure. 2 plus 3i, right? I think now you can proceed from here.
I did that.
So 4 plus 3i minus 2 minus 3i. Have you got minus 3i last?
Oh. No, I put plus
No,
3.
yeah. That's what I'm saying. Somewhere you're doing mistake.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But it's still plus 3i minus 3i, so it's I.
No. Plus 3i minus 3i is 0.
Oh, yeah, okay.
4 plus 3i minus 2 minus 3i.
Oh, yeah, so it's just 2.
Just 2, right? Can you do z1 this one minus z1, sorry, z1 minus z2 and check whether both are equal or not. Here you are getting 2, right?
-2.
Maybe, I'm not sure. Let's check. So Z1 is your 2 plus 3i, right? Yeah, let's take a different color. Z1 is your 2 plus 3i minus Z2. Okay, so is it not -4 minus 3i? Yeah, so -2. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we have done, I think, as the initial part of a complex number. So let's move to the multiplication. Okay, focus on this. If Z1 is this one and Z2 is 3 minus 2i. Okay, now if I want to find, you can find Z1 plus Z2, Z2 plus Z1 minus anything. Okay, now if I find Z1, if I want to find Z1 multiplied by Z2, do you understand the bracket here means multiplication?
Yeah.
So what I will do first, the basic step is write the Z1. Okay, and this one is 3 minus 2i. Okay, now okay, you know algebra multiplication, right? So in algebra what we used to do, 2 multiplied by 3, right? So write 6, then 2 multiplied by minus 2i, what you'll get?
Minus 4i.
Okay, let me take a different color so that it will be more. Okay, I can't take. Okay, anyway, now this 3 multiplied by 3i multiplied by 3, how much is that?
9i.
Plus 9i, and then 3i multiplied by minus 2i, how much is that?
Minus 6i.
6i square.
Oh yeah, 6i square.
And always remember, I will give you a short trick. When you have a complex number, in the last you will always get square. Okay, so now let's write this 4 minus 4i plus 9i, how much is that?
Plus 5i.
Plus 5i. Now here we have to little bit focus. This is minus 6. Okay, what was I square?
1
Minus 1.
minus 1.
Yeah, so is it not 6 plus 5i plus 6? Minus 6 multiplied by minus 1, is it not plus 6? So is it not 12 plus 5i? And that's your answer.
Okay.
Now let's focus what I have done here. It's simple multiplication. Okay, when you multiply, first thing you have to observe that you are getting minus 1 I square.
Okay.
Then replace that I square by minus I, and then just general maths, right?
Do you always add in I square?
If you have multiplication, you'll always get I square here, always and always. Okay, so but you can see that 3i multiplied by minus 2i, it's minus 6i square, right? Because I is happening 2 times. So let's practice one question. This is for you. 1 minus I, and Z2 is 2 plus 3i. Can you multiply them? Find Z1 multiplied by Z2.
Minus. So I squared is equal to
I square is always minus 1.
minus 1, okay.
You please try to remember. It never change. Okay, so try to remember all the time. Okay.
What?
I square is equal to minus 1. Please try to remember all the time. Okay.
Yeah. I got 5i.
Maybe revise this one time. Okay, I will try. Right. Here, can you see this one? Now 1 multiplied by 2. 2. 1 multiplied by 3i. 3i minus I multiplied by 2i. Is it not minus 2i?
Yeah.
And minus I multiplied by 3i. What you will get?
Minus 3i squared.
Yeah, that's right. And whenever you have multiplication, first step you will get here I square, and here you will both will be I middle. Okay, is it not this one as I minus 3 minus 1? Is it not 2 plus I plus 3?
Yeah.
Any trouble?
I got it.
You got it. Oh, very good. You are right. Okay. So, and they have taught you this in the school.
Yeah. But it's so much clearer.
Is it so much clearer right now? See, I have already recorded this session, so